Today I'm going to show you how to make a frog like this. They're really simple and can be made using materials you can find around your home. These frogs are a great project if you're studying the rainforest, life cycles, or even local habitats.
For this project, you will need an egg box. Any size will do. You'll need some red, green and white paper, but if you don't have that, you can always colour in white paper. Green paint and brush, scissors, pen and pencil and tape. Using your scissors, cut out one of the corner cups. Then, remove the rim to create a flat top. Repeat this process for another corner cup so that you now have the top and bottom of the frog's body. It's now time to paint the frog. I'm going with green, but you can go with whatever colour you like. If you're studying the rainforest, you might want to look up the different colours of the tree frogs. If you don't have access to paint, you could always colour in your frog using pencils, felt tips or crayons, or you could even add patterns. While the paint dries, draw a frog's foot on the green piece of paper. Cut this out and use it as a template to draw your second foot. You should then have 2 identical frog feet. Put these aside and now use your red or pink paper to draw the tongue. It'll need to be long and thin for catching flies. Cut it out and then curl it by wrapping it around your pencil. The tighter you wrap the tongue around the pencil, the more it will curl and the better it'll look. On the white piece of paper, draw and cut out 2 circles for the eyes. Using the black pen, add the pupils. Now that the body is dry, use tape to attach the 2 body halves together. Put tape on the back and the inside of the body. Remember to leave a gap between the 2 halves to form the frog's mouth. Use tape to attach the feet to the bottom of the body. I like to point the feet in different directions to make him look quirky. Use another small piece of tape to secure the tongue just inside the mouth. Again, I put it off to the side to make him look cute. I'm using a small piece of rolled up tape to secure each eye as it gives a 3D effect. If you've got glue, you can use this also.
If you enjoyed this project, why not subscribe? It's lockdown at the moment in the UK, so I'm going to be making lots of content from materials that you can find around your home.